Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I am just gonna be taking you guys along with me. I had to come here, pick up a few things. We started off the day taking Ghost for a walk because we want to tire him out so that David can give him a bath actually while I'm here at Walmart. I'm gonna see if I can record inside. Hopefully I can because it is cracking. Everyone decided to be here at Walmart today and I am here with everybody else. So we will see how much footage I get inside. If not, I will show you guys what I end up picking up at home. I'm back from Walmart and the stuff I didn't show you guys is right over here. I already dabbled into the bag of hot Cheetos, but let me show you what I got. I got a lot of hair products because if you guys haven't heard, Diva Curl is canceled because a lot of people are losing their hair, which I am losing a lot of hair, but I don't think that it's, ooh, the hot Cheetos. I am losing a lot of hair, but I don't think that it's only the Diva Curl products. I think it has a lot to do with keto. So, but anyway, that's for another video. Let me show you everything I got. And I'm already sweating from the hot Cheetos. All right, let me wash my hands first. I grabbed this for David from the Cantu men's collection. It's a 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which I thought was really cool. I wanted to change up all of my products, so I grabbed this Define and Shine Custard, and all of their products smell amazing. This is like a jelly to help define my curls. My hair tends to get really dry, so I picked this up. This is a deep treatment mask and it smells amazing. It's super thick and luxurious. I've tried this shampoo before, but I'm not the biggest fan of it because it has that sea kelp in it, but it has great products. It's just, it smells a little weird sometimes and it lingers, but I didn't find the shampoo to this guy and that's what I wanted, and so I grabbed that one. And of course I grabbed the conditioner that has the busted end. My hair can get really tangly, so this is supposed to detangle and hydrate my hair. Win-win. This big guy has 33% more apparently, and it's the coconut curling cream, and same brand, really thick and really luxurious. I've been at a makeup remover for a minute, and this is the OG oil-free eye makeup remover from Neutrogena. I've heard a lot of great things about this putty primer and this eyeliner from Juicy Jazz, so I grabbed both of those, and here is my mini haul. Getting kind of hungry, so I'm going to do a Mediterranean wrap. This is a regular tortilla, but I do have a video on all of my low-carb Mediterranean sides, and I'll link it up here in the cards for you guys. Sometimes I take much-needed necessary breaks off of keto, and I recommend you do the same. After laying down the cucumber tzatziki sauce, I'm going to add my chicken and veggies, top it off with my pickled onions. Add a simple salad right on top. This is romaine, some onion, tomato, and Persian cucumber. And then drizzle the Mediterranean dressing right on top. Also, if you're not in the mood to make your own garlic spread dip, this is amazing. I find it at Trader Joe's and it's so good. It's comparable to the Mediterranean restaurants' garlic sauces, and this is actually better than any of the ones that I've tried in fast food restaurants. Even better than the one from Zanku Chicken. Yeah, I said it. So fire, you guys have to try this. Of course, I had to have a Coke Zero, and I like large cups because then I can fill the cup with ice all the way to the top, and then I pour my soda, cold soda, right on top and a reusable straw, and it's perfect. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of when these videos are going up, and thank you so much for watching.